Digestive system, which is the longest part of the alimentary canal. Which is the longest part of the alimentary canal? Esophagus, stomach, small intestine, or large intestine? The correct answer is small intestine. Which enzyme in saliva begins the digestion of starch? Which enzyme in saliva begins the digestion of starch? Salivary amylase. What is the approximate pH of stomach acid, that is HCl? What is the approximate pH of stomach acid? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is 1.5 to 3.5. Which organ produces bile for fat digestion? Which organ produces bile for fat digestion? Pancreas, gallbladder, liver, duodenum. The correct answer is yes, it's liver. Where is bile stored before it is released into the small intestine? Where is bile stored before it is released into small intestine? Is it liver, pancreas, gallbladder, or spleen? The correct answer is gallbladder. Insulin is produced by which cell in the pancreas? Insulin is produced by which cell in the pancreas? The correct answer is beta cells. Which enzyme produced by the pancreas digest fats? Which enzyme produced by the pancreas digest fats? Amylase, pepsin, trypsin, lipase. The correct answer is lipase. Diabetes mellitus is caused by deficiency or dysfunction of which hormone? Diabetes mellitus is caused by deficiency or dysfunction of which hormone? Glucagon, thyroxine, insulin, or cortisol? The correct answer is insulin. Which organ is called the chemical factory of the body due to its 500 plus functions? Which organ is called the chemical factory of the body due to 500 plus functions? Kidney, pancreas, brain, or liver? So the correct answer is liver. Which part of the small intestine first receives food from the stomach? Which part of the small intestine first receives the food from the stomach? Is it ileum, jejunum, duodenum, or cecum? The correct answer is duodenum. What is the inflammation of the appendix called? What is the inflammation of the appendix called? Gastricitis, colitis, appendicitis, peritonitis. The correct answer is appendicity. Where does the maximum absorption of nutrients takes place in the body? Where does the maximum absorption of the nutrients takes place in the body? Stomach, large intestine, small intestine, or duodenum? The correct answer is small intestine. What is the function of the large intestine? What is the function of large intestine? Digest proteins, absorb vitamins, absorb water and form feces, produce enzymes. The correct answer is absorb water and form feces. Which gland produces both digestive enzymes and hormones, insulin and glucagon? Which gland produces both digestive enzymes and hormones, insulin and glucagon? Is it liver, thyroid, pancreas, or adrenal gland? The correct answer is thyroid. No, guys, this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is pancreas, not liver, not adrenal gland. The correct answer is pancreas. Last question. Which vitamin is produced by bacteria in the large intestine? Which vitamin is produced by bacteria in large intestine? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, or is it vitamin K? The correct answer is vitamin K. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this session. If you want the detailed explanation of the answers, I have provided my number. I have provided the link as well in the description of this particular session. You can go there and you can download that particular PDF that I have uploaded in the Telegram group. All the very best.